Dear customers, now let's take a look at how to place an order on our website. First, please choose the country of delivery. This is a very important step, as the gift selection and the prices vary depending on the country of delivery. For the purpose of this video, I am picking Australia. At the top right-hand side of the page, you will find a drop-down with different currency options. If it is easier, you can use this drop-down to select the currency our site will use for the prices of each gift. Please keep in mind that this is an estimate only, as conversion rates change frequently. You will be charged for the total price in US dollars upon checkout. You'll also notice on this main page that you will find the average time to deliver each gift, as well as the local time. With Good Choice Flowers, the delivery fee is always included in the price of all of our gifts in our catalogs, so you can expect no surprises. Please also keep in mind that for some remote regions, it may take a little longer than average. Now, you are ready to choose a gift. For your convenience, we have sorted them out into the most common categories: balloons and flowers, bouquets, tea and coffee, and much more. If you aren't sure what exactly you want, don't worry. You can also view gifts based on the reason for purchase: birthdays, thank you gifts, and more. If you are still unsure, you can also look at gifts based on who the recipient is. Are you shopping for your boss, your mom, a child, or someone else? We have a category of gift suggestions for nearly everyone. If you click on Today's Deals and Specials, you will also see our special offers. And such categories as alcohol-free gifts can also save your time. Let's say you are searching for a gift with flowers and chocolate. The category Chocolate and Flowers will help you with that. A little tenderness set looks nice. Let's see the details. You will be able to check all of the information regarding the item: contents, how long it takes to deliver the gift, customer reviews, and so on. If you have any questions, you are welcome to click on the live support icon at the top of the page to get in touch with our customer support team, who is available 24/7. Then, you hit Continue to Checkout. Here, you will be given an option to add extras to your gift. You can select as many add-ons as you like. For example, a bottle of wine or a fruit basket. Once you are finished selecting add-ons, please click Continue to Checkout to proceed. If you are a new customer, please enter your email address or continue as a guest. Please note that if you've placed an order but never registered with us in the past, you will need to use the guest checkout option. If you are a returning client, please sign in with the login password, or alternatively, enter the number of your previous order and enter your account. Now, you need to fill in all of the required information: the full name of the recipient, delivery dates, the recipient's complete address and phone number or email address. If you don't have the recipient's address, please click here, and we will retrieve it from the recipient when scheduling delivery. If you have selected multiple gifts, you will see an option to assign each gift to a different recipient, and even write 2 separate greeting cards, but only if you have more than one gift. Then, you enter your contact details. If you are late for a birthday, anniversary, or any other occasion, we can still bring joy to your recipient right on time. You may choose the option Send Now as Gifty Link to virtually surprise your recipient and let them know that their gift is on the way. Now, let's make your gift special by adding a personalized greeting message. Make sure you write the occasion for the greeting card. If you're in a hurry or just not sure what to write, we have a greeting card library of text that you can choose from. If you need to leave any notes for delivery, such as a gate code, be sure to enter it into the comments field. Now, you'll have one more chance to review your order. Please double check to make sure all of the delivery information is there and that nothing is mistyped. Once you are sure your order is correct, you may proceed to payment. Choose the method of payment that works best for you. We accept all major credit and debit cards, PayPal, wire and bank transfers, many local payment methods, and several offline payment methods as well. If you need more assistance, you can call, email, or live chat with our customer service team. We will be happy to walk you through the process or create the order for you.